welcome back to my channel. So today's video is nothing but the Suhana chicken recipe, and if you're excited then do not forget to subscribe my channel. So let's start with the video, and the first you need is of course 2 onions, 2 tomatoes, 4 green chilies and garlic and lasan. Okay, you need a garam masala for it, and of course Suhana's packet and chicken. So first you need to take some oil in the pan, and then you need to put some jeeras into the hot oil, and then of course you need some green chilies in it, and then you can put all the garam masalas into the oil. Okay, so now is the time to add a garlic and ginger, and then you can add some onions. You can follow me on Snapchat and Instagram. And then उसके बाद आपको ऐड करना है tomatoes. Then you can add some salt to the tomatoes and onion कि वो थोड़ा सा जल्दी से पक जाए, and then we can grind them. Okay, so here is a twist. So I am going to add some Kashmiri powder to the masala. So yes, so if you want you can add. If you don't want, आप उसके बदले Kashmiri powder नहीं है, then you can add a red chili powder. The gas flame is in a medium flame. You have to cook for 5 to 10 minutes until the time the onion and tomato get squeeze off little bit, and they leave little bit of water whatever is there in the tomatoes, and then you can cook at least for 5 to 10 minutes, and then your masala is ready. Since my masala is ready, all the masala I'm going to put into the mixture, and I am going to grind these masalas. Now everyone have their own kind of style of making chicken, so this is my home style recipe. जाओ subscribe button जरूर press करना इस वीडियो के बाद. So here I'm going to take Suhana's packet in a bowl, and I am going to add some little bit of water, and I am going to mix it well that it became a thick paste. So I'm going to take the same pan, I'm going to add some extra oil to it, and then I am going to add that masala that we have grinded in the mixture. Cook it for 5 to 10 minutes. Now I'm going to add the Suhana's paste to the masalas. So here I'm going to add some turmeric, some red chili powders, and some salt for the taste. So now it's the time to add some chicken. So here I'm going to add some water and leave it at least to 10 to 15 minutes to cook chicken and some masalas. You have to keep a gas in a medium flame. Not forget to check in between that your chicken and your masala does not get burnt. So once it comes to a boil, then you just have to check your chicken has been cooked and even your masala has been cooked or not, and the food is ready. Hope you like my chicken Suhana's recipe, and that was my home recipe. So till that time, bye. I'll see you in the next video.